Hi, it's Sam, and today I'm making a quick coffee cake. My husband really likes this one. It packs up very nicely in lunches, and I think you'll enjoy it. Want to see how I made it? Stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is 3 tablespoons of softened butter, a half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons baking powder, 1 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar packed, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half a tablespoon of butter cubed. And the first thing you want to do is mix the 3 tablespoons of softened butter with the sugar. Okay, I have the butter and the sugar mixed up, and the next thing I'm going to do is add an egg and whip that all up. Okay, the egg's beaten in and it's pretty fluffy, and now I have the flour, the baking powder, and the salt, and you have to mix that up well. And then after you've gotten it mixed up, you want to add this to the egg mixture alternately with the milk, and you beat that up until it's nice and fluffy. Okay, now that everything is mixed together, you add your vanilla and whip that in. Once you have the batter all mixed up, you spread it in the bottom of an 8-inch pan. It actually calls for a square pan. All I have is a round one, so we're going to make that do. Then you're going to take your brown sugar and your cinnamon, and you're going to mix that up very well. Once it's mixed, you want to sprinkle it on top of the batter. And once you have that sprinkled over the batter, you want to take the half a tablespoon of butter, and I have cubed it and chilled it, and then you just dot it all over the top. Oops. And once you get this done, you're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, it's fresh out of the oven. Hubby's already had a piece, and he likes it. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.